This is the Loocio jump rope. I was looking for a good cardio full body workout that would just take a fraction of the time where I could stay at home, easily transport this anywhere that I wanted to go, where I'm traveling or just over at someone's house temporarily and I wanted to just grab a quick workout. So the thing I really like about this jump rope is its durability. It's made with this high quality steel liner and it's covered with a strong PVC coating, so it's not, it's going to be really durable. It's going to last a long time, and it's definitely tangle-free. As you know, you could wrap it up and it's just easily going to come out ready for you to use for jumping. The other great thing about this is that it's adjustable, and the way that you adjust it is you just screw off the top or the top and the bottom. You can take them both off. So if you take the bottom one off here, you can take the cord out, and then there's a self-adjuster on here that you can just stick your fingernail in, or maybe even a small screwdriver, and then you just put it either shorter or near the end, which I need because I'm a little taller, so I need most of the rope, and then you just push this back together and it stays put, and then put it back in the handle and put the top back on like that. But before I do that, I want to show you also another great feature of this jump rope is the bearing in here, and this is an actual bearing so that you get really smooth action. You don't get this twisted up, you don't get the cord twisted up, and when I jump with it, it really is very smooth. And so let me put this back together. Let me get the bottom back on, and then put the top on. And of course you want to adjust it similarly on both sides so you get the jump rope even, so that you can do the exercise properly. These handles are extremely comfortable, and they're moisture wicking, so that as you work out, as you get sweaty, they're not going to slip out of your hands. You see these grooves. They also come in different colors here in the grooves. I got the black. I just wanted something consistent, but they have a number of other colors as well. And I tried this out, and it's just very easy to use, very smooth, very fast, and I'm looking forward to just better cardio workouts, quicker, because when you jump rope, you get a great workout in a fraction of time that you would with running or walking or a lot of other exercises. So hopefully this helps you realize what an amazing jump rope this is, and I appreciate you watching my review.